My name is Ashton Lopez, and this is my Lest We Forget project. And I chose Christopher Columbus. Real quick, if you hear any strange noises in the background, that's my dog. I can't escape him, so bear with me, please. So, with this project, we were supposed to pick a controversial figure and explain why he is remembered in history and how we should remember him in the future. So Christopher Columbus set off on a quest to find a direct route from Europe to Asia, but mistakenly found the Americas. He made 4 trips across the Atlantic Ocean from Spain in 1492, 1493, 1498, and 1502. His journeys marked the beginning of centuries of exploration and colonization of North and South America. And there's a picture of Christopher Columbus. This is the biography that I chose. It's written by Samuel Eliot Morison. He was born July 9th, 1887, and he died May 15th, 1976. He was a professor of history at Harvard University. He is known for his works on maritime history. Morison served in the United States Navy during the Second World War. Among other awards and honors, he received 2 Pulitzer Prizes and the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Christopher Columbus remains controversial because of the violence he inflicted upon the friendly Taino people. The indigenous people of the New World were beaten, raped, and tortured for the location of imagined gold. And here's a little illustration of their encounter. Christopher Columbus was born between August 26th and October 31st, 1451 in Genoa, Italy, and died May 20th, 1506 in Spain. He was born into a Christian household. His parents were woolmaker and merchant Domenico Colombo and Susanna Fontanarosa. He began sailing at a young age, where he landed a job on a merchant ship, where his ship was sunken and he floated ashore to Lisbon. In the early 14th century, Columbus learned of Marco Polo's stories of Grand Khan of China and Cipangu, Japan. So Marco Polo's stories were pretty elaborate, and there were stories of riches and gold, pearls, precious stones, and Columbus's imagination was pretty much kindled. So, after being rejected multiple times, he was finally sponsored by Spanish monarchs Ferdinand of Aragon and Isabel of Castile. The monarchs were enthusiastic about the fortune and fame, but they also touted the idea of spreading Catholicism to the New World. His mistake granted Columbus's way into history because his travels kicked off exploration and exploitation. The Columbian Exchange is an immense part of history, with the exchange of good, people, and disease across cultures. So he had some shortcomings, obviously, and those included the enslavement, torture, and rape of indigenous people, as well as the decimation of Taino population. Christopher Columbus had ill intentions pretty much from the beginning. A little entry of his journal is here, and it goes on to say that these people are very unskilled in arms. With 50 men, they could all be subjected and made to do all that one wished, meaning slavery. So, how should he be remembered? Christopher Columbus might be viewed as a trailblazer, voyaging into the unknown to spread Christianity in search for riches and a shortcut to make trade easier. Had he not brought this violence into the mix, he may have been able to keep his noble title, which was the Admiral of the Ocean Sea. I think moving forward into the 21st century, he should no longer be celebrated or get a federal holiday honoring him. I think it's important that he be remembered, but I think we sort of need to reconstruct who he was as a person. I was taught that he was a hero because he found America and he's got this holiday, so he must be a good guy. But um, sadly, that's just not the case. Um, so, yes, Christopher Columbus had a large impact on history, and this I will acknowledge. However, let it be known that Columbus intentionally took the innocent lives for personal gain and glory, and um, I think I think that's how we should move forward in the future. And here's my works cited, and that's it.